Hey, what's up everyone? So this skateboard has lasted me over 2 months. It's one of the strongest decks I've skated for a while. Jart skateboards from Spain, single press, amazing decks. Look at this deck. It's got like these major pressure cracks in the middle from like the truck. Look at how big that is. That's insane. This deck has cracks. I'm hoping I'm gonna break this deck soon so I can set up a freshie, because I hate skating boards and switching them out and then not breaking them. I like to get good use out of my deck. My deck actually has yellow in it. My deck is very used, as you can tell, and it's almost about to break. Phil decided to show up and bless us with his presence, but my foot still hurts, so we'll try to take it easy. We'll have some fun and go from there, because the doctor told me not to skate for 4 to 6 weeks, and I only took 2 weeks off, so yeah, kind of pushing it, but yeah, we'll have some fun. Yeah, I landed one feeble, really sketchy, but my foot's still hurting, so I'm gonna call it on the feeble grind and do it another day when it's 100% better. So doing all those tricks felt amazing, but the problem is now my foot really hurts. I can actually feel it, so yeah, it sucks. It also really sucks being injured, because I want to like push myself to learn new tricks and just keep progressing, and when you're injured, it just stops all of that. Like I said, the doctor told me not to skate for 4 to 6 weeks, and I'm just like, yeah, no, that's not gonna happen. I've been trying to like pace myself and do, you know, just a little bit, but it's so hard. You know, you see other people shredding and you just want to shred too, so it's hard just to take it easy. So yeah, my foot really hurts. I don't know how much more I'm gonna be able to do. I might just do a couple other basic tricks and go from there and see if it keeps hurting or if it gets worse, and then I might just call it. But so far, it's been an amazing sesh. Alright, so I can do front foot impossibles, but I've always wanted to learn just back foot impossibles. So we're gonna try a couple and see if I can come close and see if I'm doing a 3-shove or an actual impossible. Alright, so I don't know if that's a 3-shove or an impossible. We're gonna have to watch back in slow motion and see if it actually is or isn't. But I feel like I'm almost getting it. So yeah, is it an impossible or not? I feel like I'm this close to landing it, but my foot's starting to really hurt, so I'm gonna stop doing that. I love that I learned the front 180 on the quarter ramp. Now I wish I could go like super high and do it, but baby steps, I got pretty high there and it feels amazing. Trying to keep it mellow, but my foot's really hurting, so I might just call it. Maybe do a manual, nose manual, and then a couple hip tricks, and we'll go. I got that half cab Manny second try. I usually struggle with that one, but yeah, believe it or not, I used to have like fakey big spins into Manny's too. Battery's about to die, so I might just call it and go home and take some rest. Ice and Advil for my foot. Let's go! I finally landed a kickflip nose manual. Freaking go! That was such a battle, kickflip nose manual. And shout out and thanks to Sean Burpre for helping me figure that one out. I do need to get him super consistent and not just 1 in 100. So I'm gonna have to keep practicing and coming back to that and just getting it on lock eventually, hopefully. And I also first time did the nose manual to nose manual off the mani pad, which is quite hard, but once you get it, it's actually really fun. And it seems easy, but it's not. So major respect to anyone that can do that kind of stuff. it's hot out here. And my foot's still killing me, so I should be taking it easy, but I just wanted to land those tricks. You know, you got tricks that you want to land and you just want to do them regardless of the pain. Adrenaline kicks in and you just go for it. Anyways, it was a pretty decent sesh. You all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out.